natural health for beginners.
Unlock the secret to luscious, healthy hair with this easy-to-follow tutorial on making hair growth butter. This video provides exact quantities and step-by-step guidance to create a nourishing, all-natural treatment for promoting hair growth and improving scalp health. Key ingredients: Shea Butter, 100 g, a deeply moisturizing base that strengthens hair and reduces breakage. Coconut Oil, 50 g, enhances hair elasticity and nourishes the scalp. Castor Oil, 30 ml, known for its ability to boost hair growth and thickness. Jojoba Oil, 20 ml, balances scalp sebum and promotes a healthy environment for hair follicles. Essential oils, 5 drops each of rosemary and peppermint, stimulate circulation in the scalp for better growth. Steps to make hair growth butter. Melt the base. Use a double boiler to melt the shea butter and coconut oil together until completely liquefied. Mix the oils. Remove from heat and mix in castor oil and jojoba oil. Whip it up. Allow the mixture to cool until it starts to solidify, then whip it using a hand mixer to create a fluffy texture. Add essential oils. Blend in the essential oils for an invigorating scent and added scalp benefits. Store properly. Transfer the butter into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. How to use. Scalp treatment. Massage a small amount onto your scalp, focusing on areas of thinning hair. Leave on for at least 30 minutes or overnight before washing. Hair mask. Apply generously to the length of your hair as a deep conditioning treatment once a week. Benefits of hair growth butter. Stimulates hair growth. Reduces dryness and flakiness. Strengthens hair strands and prevents breakage. Enhances hair's natural shine and softness. Discover the joy of creating your own haircare products with this simple, effective recipe. Say goodbye to expensive store-bought solutions and hello to your journey toward naturally beautiful, healthy hair. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.